Okay, I'm not saying this is the thing to do. This is kind of temporary. But there was no good way of getting that big wire out of the box. I would probably have damaged, broke some insulation off. It would have been very difficult. So I decided to pull them aside and wire nut them. Now, don't do this, but this is my solution for right now, temporarily. So the breaker's in. We have the new wire coming in right here. I loosened this one up. There was another, probably a 12-2 with ground back there. You can always put two next to each other. So I slid it in there. Didn't disrupt everything else. And then hooked the red or the black and the white, which ideally would have been nice if that was red, and then the ground in over here. And this is an old system. I mean, I really am looking forward to removing all this, including that meter. That meter is going to go too. And putting a nice panel in here. And the electric will come from the main house. So I am really excited about doing that, but I just can't do it now. It's pretty much winter, and I have some other prep stuff I need to do ahead of that. But we're getting closer to it. Okay, so moment of truth. We're ready to flip that breaker on. And then, if all is fine, which it should be, I've been very careful on this, then I should be able to turn the heaters on and we should get some heat. Now they do say that once you turn them on the first time, they do give off an odor, and we did experience that with the other ones in Lewistown. So I am going to flip that breaker, and then we'll come over here and turn it on. And if all's looking good, I'm going to put the cover on those boxes. And I may not leave it on overnight. It's not that bad a temperature out, and I'd rather give it more time when I'm here. But at least we can give it a shot, and hopefully all is good. I was real careful, so I really think it will be. Okay, let's try it.